everybody, this is Shaheen. Today what I am going to make will definitely going to be a treat for everyone, especially for the kids and young ones. It is a chocolate mousse cake prepared at home and without eggs. So have a look how to prepare this simple, easy and very tasty dessert. Maida or all-purpose flour 1.5 cup. Plain or salted butter 75 grams. Fresh cream 250 grams. Milk 100 ml. Baking powder 1 teaspoon. Mithai mate or condensed milk 200 ml. Cocoa powder 2.5 tablespoons. Dark chocolate compound 200 grams. Club soda 3/4 cup. Cherries 10. Chocolate essence few drops. And spoons for measuring. So friends, for making chocolate mousse cake, first we are going to make eggless chocolate cake, and I have measured 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour with this measuring cup. This is 1.5. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 2 to 3 teaspoon of or 2 tablespoon of chocolate powder according to your liking. I am going to add 2 tablespoon of chocolate powder and then we will sieve it. These are 2 heaped tablespoon, and if you like little bitter taste, I am going to add little bit more. And now I am going to sieve it. Now you can see after sieving, if there are any lumps, they get removed by sieving, and mix all these things well dry. Keep this aside. This is 75 grams of butter. You can take salted or unsalted, any butter which you have or which is available easily at your place. Now we will going to beat it. All these things should be at room temperature. This is Amul Mithai Made 200 ml. If you have Milkmaid, you can use Milkmaid also 200 ml. And keep mixing. Add few drops of chocolate or vanilla essence. Again beat it. And you have to blend it till you see these bubbles. Now we are going to take soda, half a cup of soda, and we will beat alternately the maida, cocoa powder and all. Now add a spoon of it and put this. Now you can see it is quite thick, so we will add milk at room temperature. Now you can see air bubbles. Little bit of soda I am going to add more. That's all. I am using 8 inches springform cake tin, and after baking it will come like this. Close it and now pour the batter. Gently tap like this to settle, and now we have to bake it for 25 minutes or till your cake is done on 180 degrees. Now my oven is preheated and I am going to place the cake tin carefully. It is hot and I am going to check in between, and here I close. Within 20-22 minutes our cake is ready. You can see it is soft and it is done. This is half of this packet. It is half a kg packet. I have kept half and piece for grating. And when this will melt, we will going to add this chocolate into the whipped cream. You can see the cake has turned well. Now we will put again the cake into this, and I like cherry, and so I am giving a layer of cherry and syrup. Little bit of sugar added into the syrup, just like we do in Black Forest. See, this is a ready-made whipped cream. Because it's too hot, so I have preferred to use this one. See, this is the double boiler. Water is boiling and I have kept a bowl. And now we have to melt this dark chocolate. This is half of this packet. It is half a kg packet. I have kept half and piece for grating. And when this will melt, we will going to add this chocolate into the whipped cream. Once the chocolate has cooled down, add fresh cream and mix gently. The final layer of chocolate. Now finally I am garnishing it with chocolate shavings. It's too hot, so I have kept them in the freezer for some time. And finally, it's your liberty to use cherries for decoration. A little far from the edges because you have to take out the cake when it is set. And it will going to take 4 to 5 hours to set completely. And it is ready. So all my dear friends, here's your treat, chocolate mousse cake with cherries. Enjoy it, and please do share this recipe with your friends if you like. It is eggless one and I am going to enjoy it because it is eggless. Have a nice time enjoying it, and please subscribe.